3 foods to keep your legs strong after 50. Have you ever wondered why climbing stairs feels harder than it used to? Or why your legs feel weaker, even though you're eating and exercising the same way you always have? Here's the truth. Your legs are often the first to show signs of decline as you age. Weak muscles, poor balance, and slow reflexes don't just happen overnight. They're the result of gradual muscle loss that most people overlook. But here's the good news. This doesn't have to be your story. In this video, we'll uncover 3 powerful foods that can help you rebuild strength in your legs, improve balance, and keep you active for years to come. By the end, you'll know exactly what to eat to stay strong and independent, no matter your age. Stay with me until the end because I'll also share simple daily habits that amplify these benefits and take your leg health to the next level. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let me know in the comments. Have you noticed any changes in your leg strength lately? Number 1. Dairy, the protein and calcium powerhouse. Let's start with dairy, one of the best sources of high-quality protein and calcium for your muscles and bones. Did you know that a single glass of milk contains about 8 grams of protein, while Greek yogurt packs a whopping 20 grams per serving? That's like giving your muscles a direct infusion of strength every time you enjoy it. Protein is essential for repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue, especially as we age. Without enough protein, your body struggles to maintain muscle mass, leaving your legs feeling weaker over time. Calcium complements this process by strengthening bones, reducing the risk of fractures, and ensuring your joints stay healthy. What to eat? Start your day with a glass of milk, or a serving of Greek yogurt topped with fresh fruit and nuts. Add cheese to salads, sandwiches, or whole grain crackers for a satisfying snack. If you're lactose intolerant, opt for fortified plant-based alternatives like almond or soy milk. Number 2. Leafy greens, the unsung heroes of muscle health. Next up are leafy greens, a nutrient-dense food group that's often overlooked when it comes to muscle strength. Spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard are packed with magnesium, potassium, and antioxidants that support muscle function and recovery. Magnesium helps relax muscles, preventing cramps and spasms, while potassium balances electrolytes to keep your muscles hydrated and energized. Think of potassium as the fuel stabilizer that keeps your legs ready for action, whether you're walking, gardening, or climbing stairs. How to add them to your diet. Toss spinach into your morning omelet for a quick nutrient boost. Make a kale salad with olive oil, lemon juice, and Parmesan cheese for lunch. Sauté collard greens with garlic and spices as a flavorful side dish. Blend leafy greens into smoothies with banana and almond milk for a refreshing snack. Number 3. Omega-3 rich foods, the anti-inflammatory champions. Finally, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids, found in abundance in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These healthy fats are not only great for your heart, but also play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and protecting your muscles from damage. As we age, chronic inflammation builds up in our muscles and joints, causing stiffness, soreness, and even sharp pain during movement. Omega-3s combat this inflammation, keeping your legs strong, flexible, and pain-free. They also improve blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles more efficiently. What to eat? Include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week. If you're vegetarian, try flax seeds, chia seeds, or walnuts as plant-based sources of omega-3s. Pair omega-3 rich foods with plenty of fruits and vegetables to maximize their anti-inflammatory effects. Simple daily habits for stronger legs. While food is your foundation, pairing it with a few simple habits can amplify its benefits. Here's what you need to do. 1. Stay active every day. Even a 20-30 minute walk improves blood flow, strengthens bones, and keeps joints flexible. For variety, try yoga, tai chi, or resistance band exercises. 2. Hydrate properly. Start your day with a glass of water or herbal tea to jumpstart hydration. Dehydration leads to muscle fatigue and cramping, so aim for at least 8 cups daily. 3. Prioritize sleep. Your muscles repair and rebuild during sleep. Adults over 60 need 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night for optimal recovery. Create a calming bedtime routine to ensure restful nights. Conclusion. Your legs carry you through life, from childhood adventures to long walks, from standing strong in difficult times to running toward your dreams. But what happens when they start to weaken? When climbing stairs feels harder, or standing up takes more effort than it used to? The answer lies in nourishing your body with the right foods and adopting simple daily habits that support muscle health. Dairy, leafy greens, and omega-3 rich foods are your allies in this journey. Combine them with regular movement, proper hydration, and restorative sleep, and you'll be amazed at how much stronger and more resilient your legs can become. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these foods will you add to your diet first? Have you noticed improvements in your leg strength after making dietary changes? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more life-changing health tips. Together, let's take control of our health and live stronger, healthier lives.